Here we are outside of one of the 2023 Surveyor Legends. Quick walk around of this camper. You have super nice rims on the outside of these. Forced air into the underbelly so everything stays nice and toasty underneath of there. 80-watt solar panel on the roof. Fiberglass exterior with Azdel interior walls on these. Super nice modern interior on all the floor plans in here. They offer bunkhouse and sweetheart camper designs. You have slam latch doors on all the exterior doors with magnetic holding, so you're not propping anything up on those. They're keeping everything nice and modern. Of course, you have a nice big full-size awning on most of them with LED lighting. So, of course, when you're camping outside, you're going to be nice and protected underneath there on the campsite of the camper. Come check this out at RV Wholesalers and see what other brands we have here to offer.